Section 15A, question number 2, page 363. Here we're asked to find dy by dx, which, of course, is just another way of saying the derivative of the function. The derivative of y with respect to x. So here we're just going to use the same power law as we have in the past. 2.5x cubed minus 1.4x squared minus 1.3. When we apply the rule for the power law, the power rule for the derivative of a function, we just take the exponent, bring it down in front, multiply by the coefficient, and then we subtract 1 from the exponent. So 2.5 times 3 is 7.5. Subtract 1 from the exponent, which we then get 2. And then negative 1.4x squared. Bring the 2 down in front, we get negative 2.8x. Subtract 1 from the exponent, just leave it as x. And that negative 1.3 just becomes 0. Moving on to question B. We got y equals pi x squared. Now recall that pi is just a constant. Okay, that's not a variable, even though it kind of looks like an x in a way. And pi is sometimes used as a variable in, or I guess, sorry, maybe not pi itself, but some of the Greek letters are used as variables, but pi is not one of them. It's used as a constant. So you just have to remember that pi is a constant, and then when you take the power law of this to find the derivative, we just bring the 2 down in front, so it's 2 pi x. Part C, y equals 1 over 5x squared. I'll rewrite that to be 1 over 5 times x to the negative 2. And dy by dx, now we'll just do the same thing. I'll take this exponent, bring it down in front, and multiply by the coefficient, and subtract 1 from the exponent, so that becomes negative 2 over 5x to the negative 3, which then can be written as negative 2 over 5x cubed. Question D says y equals 100x, and dy by dx is 100. Part E, y equals 10 quantity x plus 1, which can be written as 10x plus 10. And then when we find dy by dx, we're just left with with just 10. Okay, this becomes 0, and for this one, the 1 comes down in front of to multiply by the coefficient, and we get x to the power 0, which then becomes 1, so we're just left with 10. Part F, y equals 4 pi x squared. Sorry, again, I apologize profusely. 4 pi x cubed is the question. And so dy by dx, we bring the 3 down in front, multiply by the 4, so we get 12 pi x squared. That would be leaving the question or the answer in exact values.